Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hourly beep or the hourly chime on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. That is going to be the sound that you hear every full hour. So once it is 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, you are going to hear your watch beep, signaling that another full hour has passed. So what you want to do is to press and hold the set and recall button. You are going to press and hold it for 3 seconds. Then we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between all the different options. We are going to go past the setting of time and date, past the date format. Here we have the hourly chime. So if I press the start and split button, I'm going to switch between on and off. You can also use the stop/reset button in order to switch between the two. In case you want it off, leave it at off. Then I'm going to press the mode button, and here is another thing that you can set off or on, and that is going to be the beeping sound that you hear when you press any of the buttons on your Timex watch. So if I leave it at on and I press this button once again in order to switch it off, you are actually going to hear that beep, just like that. So if you want all the sounds off, make sure to have it like this. And then you want to press the set recall button, and now your hourly beep and your beeping sound is going to be set off. So guys, if you want to learn how to use all the functions and features on your Timex Ironman, also the chrono, the timer, the alarms, how to also set them on and off, make sure to watch the full guide. You will be able to click right here up in order to view the video, or I'm going to also leave a link in the description box below. Also guys, if you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next.